Alright guys, I'm making this video for people that have portable dishwashers and you don't know how to connect your in and out hose to your faucet. So I have a Frigidaire. There's the model right there, old Electrolux Frigidaire. That's the model number. And picked this up from Amazon. Plum Pack PP28003. And this is it. Comes with a washer. But it's a double thread, outside, inside. Oops. And let's test her out. So I have my aerators off on my faucet. So I'm just gonna screw this one on here. Okay. Pretty good. Turn it on. Cool. No leaks from this puppy. Alright, so now we're gonna get our hose out. This is kind of hard with one hand, but okay. So I got it on. Alright, let me test this out real quick. Making a little noise. Okay. Minimal drippage. Alright. Wow. So the dripping that's coming out of it is, minimal. It's probably just because I need to turn it the right way. But pretty good overall connection. And so a lot of these have power cords, as they would. Plug this one in. Okay. All right. Turn her on. Put her on a normal wash. Okay. All right. So the drainage worked pretty good. It's not leaking as much as I thought it was going to. But yeah. Well, water is on. Water's on. Small drippage, which I think is normal. You got 40 psi coming out of your faucet, so. Alright, I know it. I ran this thing a couple times without the hose, so. But the Plum Pack works pretty good. Small leaks, but I think that's just because I think the gasket inside. There we go. Alright, it's getting water. I'm not going to record the whole wash cycle. I just wanted to show you guys hooking it up and running it, testing it out. Our house is 1912, so the plumbing's really old in here, but yeah. So my Frigidaire, 18-inch portable, the Plum Pack, it works out very nicely, very nicely. It's leaking from here, the connection. It's not leaking from up here, which that's what I cared about. It's not leaking from the actual adapter. It's just this connection is really old. So you got there's a pressure release valve, and it's just a little gasket, spring gasket, that keeps the water going just this way, but it gets old and cracked, and so that's why you get a small amount of leakage down here. So that's just from here, that's not the plumb pack. Alright guys, so yeah, it works.